everybody, right now we are still in Los Angeles on Western Avenue. We are coming up to a place that's going to be on the right side of the road. It's called Best Car Wash Incorporated Los Angeles. At least that's what it said on Google Maps. This place might have an automatic bay. I think I remember seeing one on Street View, but I've been wrong before. So I figured since I'm right here, I may as well just, since I'm here, I may not be back here anytime soon, I should go check it. So we'll be there in just a second. Alright, so I missed the footage of pulling in because I was trying not to crash. There was like 800 obstructions. And this actual place does not have an automatic bay, but there is an express tunnel wash like right behind the place. I saw it through the gate, so we're going to go ahead and check that out. I have no idea what kind of equipment they're using, so it's going to be a surprise. But this is the express car wash I was just talking about. I'm assuming you go around on this side. It says enter on 35th. Oh, this is the entrance right here. I appreciate the signage, that's for sure. So it looks like they use the Simonized Hot Wax and Shine. Interesting. Alright, so you can kind of see their wash options right there. There's a lot of them are talking about the monthly club, which goes up to $54 a month for the Hot Wax and Shine package. Looks like they got maybe for first-time customers $19.99 for 1 month, maybe. So the bottom two are the only ones that have single wash pricing on them. It goes from 10, 14, and then the rest of the prices aren't listed. But on the Simonized Hot Wax and Shine Wash, they offer a 48-hour rewash guarantee. They have goodie bag. Interesting. I'm not sure what that costs, but I want to see if I can go for that one, because that one looks like it has quite a bit involved in there. So we're going to have to go ahead and wait. We got a few cars ahead of us. Quite a few, actually. Oh, the top wash is 20. Yeah, I can totally do that. No problem. I guess she wants us to wait. Hi.
Hi.
I was gonna do the 20. I was gonna do the $20 one-time car wash.
Please select. Please insert cash or one of our additional options. If you are paying with credit card, tap the Touch Here for Credit button and follow the instructions shown on screen.
Okay.
We're going to show you the receipt inside, and then it's going to be a 10-minute vacuum, okay?
10-minute vacuum? Alright, no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you for your purchase.
So it says here that they wanted me, as you heard the lady just say, I gotta show my receipt to the attendant. So this looks like a Peco tunnel, because I see the Peco logo in the top left corner there. Very friendly service. It was a little bit hard to hear them because the tunnel's so loud. This does appear to be a Peco tunnel by the looks of things. Interesting. This place is called Joe Bell Express Car Wash, by the way. I forgot to mention that on the way in. Alright, let's see what this tunnel can do. completely botched the sharp turn, and I want to make sure the person behind me doesn't get stuck. I can see why they have a 10-minute time limit. There's like barely enough vacuums for everybody. Well, I think this wash is pretty solid. That tunnel does an awful lot for the short distance, and $20 is about the value I'd expect for that. I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of their complimentary vacuums. So I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.